Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best candle maker is probably one of the most relaxing and rewarding hobbies you can pick up. Imagine crafting your own unique scents and designs, filling your home with a warm, inviting glow. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of candle making, exploring the best tools, techniques, and materials to help you create stunning candles that will impress yourself and your friends. Number 5. ASH and Harry Candle Making Kit. This complete kit has everything you need to make your own personalized candles. It includes multiple scents and color dyes, offering endless possibilities. You can create candles that perfectly match your mood. The soy wax is a healthy alternative, burning cleanly with zero petro soot. It's biodegradable, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The candles made with this wax throw plenty of scent. Show your loved ones you care by creating unique candles tailored to their tastes. The kit includes elegant containers, gift boxes, and bags. You can add a personal touch with the included stickers. Each item is individually packaged to prevent leaks or damage. The essential oils are delivered with foam padding, and all scents and dyes are sealed for freshness. This ensures everything arrives in perfect condition. With the easy-to-follow instructions and video, you'll be creating candles quickly. It's simple enough for beginners, yet meets the standards of professionals. You can't go wrong with this kit. What we like. This kit is a complete package, providing everything you need to start making candles right away. It uses soy wax, a healthier and more eco-friendly alternative. If you're looking to create personalized gifts or enjoy a relaxing DIY project, you should consider this. It includes everything you need to make beautiful candles for your loved ones. What people say. The candle maker is easy to use. The machine is well designed. It makes the process of candle making so much easier. Number 4. Sutomlo 4.5 QTS Electric Wax Melter. This wax melter can handle a large amount of wax, melting up to 4.5 quarts at once. It's perfect for making multiple candles at the same time, significantly speeding up your production process. Made with high-quality metal and a non-stick inner coating, this melter is built to last and easy to clean. You don't have to worry about corrosion or the coating peeling off, even with different wax types. The temperature control ranges from 0 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to easily adjust the heat. It can melt 4.5 QTS of soy wax in about 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This melter is designed for flexibility. It's suitable for various types of wax, including soy, beeswax, coconut, paraffin, and jelly wax. The valve allows for easy and precise pouring. Included is a 42 ounces pouring pot to help with your candle making. If you have any questions, customer service is available to provide you with a satisfactory answer. What we like. This wax melter boasts a large capacity, perfect for batch production. It offers precise temperature control, ensuring optimal wax melting. If you're looking to scale up your candle making operation or start a small business, this is a great choice. It makes mass production of candles so easy. What people say. Works great. Cuts my time in half. Melts quick. Easy to clean. It heats up quickly and gets pretty hot. It's the perfect size since wax melts don't use too much wax, compared to the candles I make, and it's easy to use and clean. It's got the ease of use nailed, just set the temperature, and voila. The wax melts evenly without any guesswork or drama. And let's talk about the pour spout, so smooth and precise, you'll feel like a pro even if you're just melting wax for the first time. Number 3. We are Memory Keepers Wick Candle Making Kit. This kit has everything you need to start making candles. It includes paraffin wax, cotton wicks, rubber stoppers, pigment, molds, and a color mixing chart. It's compatible with beeswax, soy, and more. The wax maker features a temperature gauge and thermostat. This makes it easy to create perfect candles every time. The design and instructions are easy to follow. This candle maker is designed with safety in mind. It has a locking cover lid, wax valve, and a removable wax collector. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced candle makers. With this kit, you can make unique candles. You can add essential oils or dried flowers to make elegant candles for any occasion. The possibilities are endless. Pair this candle making kit with other We Are Memory Keepers products. Start making memories that will last a lifetime. This is a great addition to any crafting collection. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need, including wax, wicks, and molds. It features an easy-to-use design with a temperature gauge. If you are a beginner, or looking for a simple and clean candle making experience, you should consider this. It allows you to create unique candles for any occasion. What people say. The candle maker is easy to use. The machine is very easy to clean. The candle maker is a great product for making candles. Number 2. DilaBee CraftZee Candle Making Kit. Want to make your home cozy? This candle making kit is perfect for you. It's a relaxing activity for adults, kids, and beginners, and a great way to start a new hobby or even a side income. The kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with soy wax, scents, wicks, dyes, tins, a melting pot, and more. It has all the supplies to make beautiful candles. Choose from relaxing scents like lavender and cotton clean. You can also create candles in various colors with the included dye blocks. Make candles that match your mood and style. This candle making kit uses 100% natural soy wax. It burns cleanly and is non-toxic and irritant-free. You can enjoy making candles with peace of mind. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit allows your loved ones to unwind and be creative. Homemade gifts are always more special because they have a personal touch. What we like. This kit includes a variety of soothing scents to create a relaxing atmosphere. All components are lab-tested and certified, ensuring quality. If you want to unwind and be creative, you should consider this. It is a thoughtful gift for any occasion. What people say. The candles came out clean, neat, and professional looking. The kit comes with enough to make many candles. The instructions were super simple to follow. It has everything you need. Number 1. Candle making kit with wax melter. This kit is perfect for all levels, containing everything you need to create your own scented candles. It includes essential scents, dyes, wax, and all the tools you'll need to get started. It's a fun and rewarding experience for the whole family. Whether you're a beginner or a candle enthusiast, this set makes it easy to create your own candles. A detailed guide with pictures is included to provide a foolproof candle making step. Just be sure to keep the dried flowers away from the wick. The kit uses 100% natural wax, ensuring your candles burn cleanly for a long time. You don't have to worry about unhealthy chemicals. It effectively releases the smell and is safe for the environment. This high-quality candle making kit comes in a beautiful gift box. It's a great gift for those who enjoy handmade crafts. It's perfect for Christmas, Mother's Day, holidays, or birthdays. Every detail is prepared with care, and all items are quality checked before shipping. If you encounter any problems, we're here to ensure you have a great experience. We are committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This kit is super easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. It includes a wide variety of scents and dyes, allowing for creative customization. If you are looking for a great gift for candle lovers, you should consider this. It is a great Christmas, Mother's Day, or birthday gift. What people say. The candle maker is easy to use. The machine is well designed and works great. It is a great product for making candles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.